Good morning, students. This is your social science teacher Shivani Bhaskar. Students, from the previous class, we started our civics chapter 5 and the name of the chapter is Panchayati Raj. Then first point we studied in this chapter is what is Gram Sabha. And I told you that Gram Sabha means a meeting of all the adults. Gram Sabha is the meeting of all the adults that are those who are coming in the area that is being covered by the Gram Panchayat. So the meeting of all the adults in the Gram Panchayat is known as Gram Sabha. Then I told you that who are the members of Gram Sabha. So those who are above 18 and those who have the rights to vote, they are the members of the Gram Sabha. Okay students, then next point we studied in our previous classes about ward. Ward and ward member. Every village panchayat, that panchayat can be of one village also and it can be more than one village. So every village panchayat is divided into small areas, right? And these small areas are known as ward. And then for each ward, we choose one representative of our ward. We elect that person. We give them vote and we choose them as our ward representative. Then whatever problems are there in that area, we can go directly to our ward member and they can solve our problem. So he is the ward member. The chosen person of our ward is known as the ward member, or we can say that ward representative. So till now I hope you all understood what is Gram Sabha, what is ward and who is our ward member. Then third point we studied is about the secretary, that every village panchayat is having one secretary. Now who is this secretary? This secretary is not an elected person. He is an appointed person by the government. We do not give him vote and we choose them. No, he is an appointed person by the government. His work is to keep an eye on the work of Gram Panchayat and to check whether Gram Sabha is being organized on time. Our first point from today's class is the meaning of BPL. First of all, what is the full form of BPL? See students, BPL means below the poverty line. Okay? Below the poverty line. Now what does it mean? It means that people who are below the poverty line, that is being decided by our government. So those people who are below that line, they are coming in this BPL list. That means the poor are there in this BPL list. Now what is the work of these BPL list and what facilities our government is giving to them? Actually our government has decided many subsidies for them, and even our government is providing free or at a very low price every month some wheat, amount of wheat, rice, sugar, pulses. So like these many things they are getting from our government at a very low price, or or sometimes it's even without prices also. So those people who are very poor, their names are coming in this BPL list. From the previous class when we were discussing about the Hardas village, then we saw there that the first point they discussed in the Gram Panchayat, that is about the repairing of road that is connecting to the main highway. Then they discussed about the water shortage and they decided decided many points for that, what can be done to solve the water problem in the Hardas village. Like they will deep into hand pumps and they will clean the wells. Then they finally decided that they will also do the watershed management program. Okay, the next thing which came in the Hardas village is the BPL list. Now the Sarpanch says in the Hardas village that we are going to tell the name of the people, those who will come in the BPL list of this village. So when they all announced the name, two names, Natwar and Birju, came in that list. all of the people who were sitting in the Gram Sabha, they started whispering that why the name of Natwar and Birju is there in the list, because they are not poor and they are having land also. They just bought a color TV and a motorcycle also, so their name should not be there in the BPL list. So all of the people started whispering to each other about the BPL list. Then they all said, why the name of Om Prakash is not there in the list? Actually, he is a landless labor. He is not having his own land and he is working in others' field. Even he cannot afford the food for his family for 2 times only. So that is, he is so poor and his name is not there in this BPL list of the village. So all of them was whispering about this very slowly. Then the Sarpanch noticed that all of them are discussing something. So the Sarpanch says that if you are having any problem, then you can come in front and tell us. If we have done any mistake, then we will solve that. So Saroj Bai, one of the village member, came in front and she said to the Sarpanch that Om Prakash name is not there in the list and he is a landless labor. He is very poor. He cannot afford the food also for his family. His name should be there in the list. Then the Sarpanch asked to the teacher who did the survey for this BPL list. Okay, so the teacher came and the Sarpanch asked that why you have not written Om Prakash name in this BPL list of our village. Then the teacher says that when I went on the survey in your village, those people was locked when I went there. There was no one in his house and maybe they have gone somewhere. That is why his name is not there in the BPL list. So the Sarpanch says to the teacher that okay, you do one thing, go again to his house, do the survey of his family and check whether if he is poor, then write his name in the BPL list. Okay, so like this the problem is also solved for the Om Prakash name. See students, so we can understand that from Gram Sabha is a very important factor in our village panchayat, because Gram Sabha is a place where we can discuss our points and we can keep an eye on the Gram Panchayat. In your books also on page number 45 you can see that this is the box which is very important and it is telling the main functions of Gram Panchayat. It is in this box it is written that the Gram Panchayat, to play its role, Gram Sabha is the key factor. Okay, because it is a place where all plans for the work of Gram Panchayat are placed before the people. Why they are placed before the people? Because the people are the only person who elected them. Okay, so it is their responsibility to satisfy their needs. Okay students, so this is how we all understood the work and the functioning of Gram Sabha. In the next class, we will discuss about Gram Panchayat. Till then, read your books, and those who are not having the books, they can take the PDF from the WhatsApp groups, and have a good day students. Thank you.